Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram post to WhatsApp status. You can easily share any Instagram post to WhatsApp status. For this, you need to first open your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Instagram. Now here, you can choose any of the posts that you want to share. After you select a specific post, now here you can see a small plane like icon. Tap on the small plane icon. After this, now here you can see share option. Tap on share option. After this, now look for your WhatsApp application. Then tap on WhatsApp. With this, now you'll be directly taken to your WhatsApp. Now you'll be able to see my status option on the top. Tap on my status option. Now tap on the arrow icon on down right corner. With this, now here you can see your reel has been added to your status. Now you can change the text of the status, or you can also change the background in which the reel will appear. After you do so, tap on the plane icon on the down right corner. Then tap on send option. After this, your WhatsApp status will be added. Now you can go to your WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. And then here, you'll be able to see your normal chats. You can tap on updates option on the down. Then here you can see my status. You can tap on the small circle near the my status. Here you can see the Instagram post has been added to my WhatsApp status. This is how we can share Instagram post to WhatsApp status. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.